What's up, guys? This is Kevin for Breakbank. I'm here at the warehouse, finally. You know, you guys don't get to see me that often. But I've been drifting the G35. You guys are gonna be mad at me? Literally? Like, come on. A seat time car drifts all day, all night, like no problems except the tire coming off. But let's not talk about that. We got bigger things coming in. We got an LS1 5.7, of course. Come on, get real LS. It's going in the superior chassis, BMW E36. Shout out Joel, buy his shirt. So got this sealed up, got everything ready. Motor mounts are on. Everything's the valve covers are not here because they're getting painted, so don't judge me. So basically everything's ready on this. I just got to get the clutch. I'm getting a Terminator X harness, all that stuff, and basically it's ready to go in. I'm just gonna test fit it right now. I'm gonna see how it goes. The bay's already painted, so I don't really care. You see that sparkle, okay? And yeah, let's just get straight into it. I need something before I do anything. A damn White Claw? Let's get it. Right now, the motor is in. Fits like a fucking glove. I'm so ready. I got a lot of shit to do to this car, a lot of parts I gotta put on, but I think I'm ready. You know, it's a lot of shit I gotta do, but who cares? Let's just get straight to it. This is the dream build. This is how we do it out here. I need a White Claw.
You need a White Claw?
Yeah. You got. Wow. Follow Breakbank on social media, everywhere. We're gonna be posting new videos every week, so get ready for it.
Like, comment, share with your friends.
Don't forget about it!
Black